neat little kit here. This is kind of like a gift kit, I guess. It has 2 necklaces that it comes with here, you know, black, and 2 really nice knives. So let's open these up. They're both the same, just a different color. Give you a little bit closer look right there. That one. And then we'll open up the blue one. Very nice. It's got a hole for like a lanyard here. Like maybe you could even use this, you know, put that through there, and you can put this on a necklace. They are smaller knives, right? So I think overall they're 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches. And you probably have like around a 2 3/4 inch blade. We'll open it up. Let's see. Can I open this up with? It's a smaller knife, but yeah, it's a smaller knife. So there you go. There. The knives are identical. The only difference is the color. But yeah, really, really cool, like really cool knife. Like I like how this flips up. This kind of flips down to give it a little extra flair there. You have a gold inlay. They etched out that inside there. Gold inside there. This little swoop up there. Stainless steel blade, very sharp. You have a logo here. I'm not sure I showed you that yet. Some spots for your fingers, or if you're cutting. Like, yeah, extremely sharp. Extremely sharp knife. And then you have this one, same exact knife, just a different color, different inlay. You have your Lord of the Rings symbolization there, which is really neat. I think that's the draw to this knife. Very nice knife. It's got some good weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. Basically, I would say it basically looks the way, or it weighs the way it looks. It weighs, it weighs the amount that it looks. I hope that makes sense. This has like gray wood. This has the blue wood. Really nice knives.